This is the slab that we're going to be making today. It's a circle. This is going to be the base of our coil pot. So this is what we're going to be making. This is a slab. We're going to start with a large piece of clay that needs to be wedged. Wedging is kneading the clay to release the air bubbles. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the base part of our palm and we're going to pound our clay a little bit so it's easier to wedge, just a little. We're going to take that same base of our palm, push into our clay, pick it up, push in, pick it up, push in. I'm standing up. I'm going to start to see a spiral here. Now I'm going to pick this shape up, put it up on its end, take the base of my hand, push into the clay. You're rolling it in on itself. When you start to get this rolled shape, pick it up, put it on its end, and do it again. You can see the spiral, pick it up, put it on the spiral end, push down into the clay. Probably push down 3 or 4 times, pick it up on its end, and do it again. Probably about 1 minute to 2 minutes of wedging is enough with this amount of clay. You're forcing the clay into a more uniform clay body. This is stage 1. Clay is decomposed rock. Then, since I know that this is my stencil shape that I'm going to be using to make my circular slab, I'm going to take my clay and I'm going to shape it very quickly into a ball. Not a perfect ball. I'm going to take the ball and from my elbow down, I'm going to smash it down. Pick it up, put the flat surface on the palm of my hand, do it again. Flat surface goes on my hand. This is also compressing the clay into itself, helping air bubbles. Then I'm going to take the base of my hand. I'm going to continue to try to keep that circle shape as much as I can. Evenly pounding out. Now I know my stencil shape is this big. I want my slab. Slab construction is one of the ways that we can construct and build things with clay. Slab construction rolls out a sheet of clay with an even thickness. I'm going to use wood slats to make sure that my slab has an even thickness. Wood slats are the same size and the same height. So this is how thick my slab is going to be. Okay. I know this is the size of my stencil, so I can push these slabs tightly together, holding the clay in the middle. I'm going to take my wood rolling pin and slowly I'm going to roll out my slab. I'm going to take a plastic carving tool and I'm going to scrape off the clay that is on my wood slats.
Braden Blatchley, please come to the middle school office. Excuse the interruption, teachers, there is a late bus, so please dismiss the kids coming in late.
Just an announcement. I'm going to keep working, making sure that my slats stay tight and firmly on the table. I want to make sure that my slats are clean of clay because my rolling pin, listen to this, you can hear wood rolling on wood. When your wood rolling pin is rolling on your slats smoothly from one end of your slab to the other. Then you know your slab is the same thickness. I'm going to put my stencil right in the middle, move my slats off. I'm going to take a wood stylus tool, and I'm going to trace with my wood stylus tool standing straight up all the way around my stencil. Take the excess clay and ball it up and put it to the side. Ball up your excess clay and put it to the side. Now I'm going to pick up my slab, which of course is going to move it around a little bit. I'm going to lay it back down now that I picked it up, and I'm going to trim it again because it's going to lose a little bit of a shape because the clay has so much moisture in it. Stage 1 is the clay body, where you have a lot of moisture, which is from water. So I'm trimming my slab for the base of my coil pot.